If you're an iPhone user and you have a Garmin watch, then syncing your fitness data with Apple Health can be super useful. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect your Garmin smartwatch to Apple Health in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the Garmin Connect app. Open the More section present on the bottom right. From there, select Settings. Within Settings, tap on Connected Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps that can integrate with Garmin Connect. Find and select Apple Health. After selecting Apple Health, you will be prompted to enable data sharing. Toggle on the categories of data you wish to share between Garmin Connect and Apple Health, such as workouts, steps, and heart rate. Once you've made your selection, tap Allow to confirm. To ensure everything is set up correctly, open the Health app, navigate to Sources, and confirm that the Garmin Connect is listed as a connected device. Check that the data categories you enabled are syncing properly. If you notice discrepancies in data, you may need to prioritize Garmin Connect as the primary data source in Apple Health. To do this, go to Health app, tap Browse, and select a data category like Walking plus Running. Scroll down and select Data Sources and Access, and drag Garmin Connect to the top of the list. Now, if your Garmin data is not syncing to Apple Health, then follow these troubleshooting steps. Make sure that your Garmin watch and iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Make sure that your Garmin watch and iPhone, along with the Apple Health app, are updated to the latest versions. To learn how to update software on your Garmin, check out this video. You can also try disconnecting and reconnecting Garmin Connect from Apple Health. This can refresh the connection and resolve syncing issues. You can also reboot both the devices to get rid of any software glitch which might cause this issue. If all else fails, then uninstall the Garmin Connect app, reinstall it, and try again. And there you have it, a straightforward way to connect your Garmin device to Apple Health, ensuring all your fitness data is consolidated in one place. If you found this video helpful, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wearholic for more smartwatch tips, tutorials, and reviews. Thanks for watching.